Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send an ACH payment using the Chase app in 2025. If you're tired of writing checks or dealing with wires, ACH payments are a fast, secure way to transfer money directly from your bank account. Whether you're paying a friend, a vendor, or settling bills, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Chase app installed on your smartphone. It's free and updated regularly for better security and features. Once you're good to go, open the app and log in with your credentials. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll get a quick verification code. It's all about keeping your money safe. Now, head to the main dashboard and look for the Payments or Transfers section. It's usually right at the top for easy access. Tap on that, and then select ACH Payment from the options. Don't worry if it says something like Bank Transfer, that's often the same thing in the app. Next, you'll need to enter the recipient's details. This includes their bank account number, routing number, and the amount you want to send. Double-check everything here because accuracy is key to avoid any delays or fees. The app might even let you save frequent recipients for faster future transfers. Once you've filled in the details, review the transaction summary. This is your last chance to make sure the amount and recipient are correct. Hit Confirm or Send, and voila, the payment is on its way. You'll get an immediate confirmation notification, and you can check your transaction history to track it. A quick tip: ACH payments typically take 1 to 3 business days to process, so plan ahead. Also, keep an eye on any potential fees, which are usually minimal with Chase. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. See you next time.